Time to tidy up your yard. Turn garden debris into nutrient-rich mulch with the Chipper-Joe electric chipper and shredder from Sun-Joe. Assembly is easy. Mount the wheels, screw it into place, plug it in, and go. 14 amps of rotary blade power to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Brush, leaves, branches, twigs, chip, shred, mulch, and compost. With an electric motor that runs at up to 4,300 revolutions per minute. And steel blades that reduce waste to 1/16 of its original size. Chipper-Joe can do it all. Create perfect mulch for trees, flower beds, and lawns. Clean your yard and nurture it. No smoke, no fumes, no finicky starters or costly tune-ups. It just works. Shred branches up to 1.5 inches thick quickly and safely with its removable safety switch and safety stop that automatically engages when the hopper is opened. Chipper-Joe is ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty. When yard chores seem to be overwhelming, chipper up with some help from Chipper-Joe and experience a faster and easier way to chip and shred. Get the tools that do the doing. Chipper-Joe from Sun-Joe. Get equipped.